Hello, this is Sudhakar Moparthy once again. Welcome to Crowdsourced AI project. Today we're going to talk about IAM service. In the previous sessions, we have seen some of the features of IAM service and how it works. And today, continuing on to the rest of the topics, rest of the documentation. So this way of learning gives you a mechanism. Um, well, let me put it this way. I'm going to take the text from here, put it in ChatGPT, create a JSON object, and then let it categorize and build the structure and the relationships among different entities. And by simply looking at that structure, we will be able to understand what they are trying to say in English. So we're going to take advantage of that. So security features outside AIM. We have seen so far how we can secure some of the things and allow users to access um, using roles, using policies, permissions, and all that configuration. So there are some things that are not secured using IAM service. So let's see, that's what this is saying. So let's see what it has to say. I'm going to go to new chat GPT, create a JSON for this. Okay, so it's saying it's a IAM service. The purpose of IAM service is to control access, controls access to tasks performed using AWS Management Console, command line, API operations using SDKs. Some products have other ways to secure their resources as well. So that's the key takeaway here. Examples is S3 bucket policies, AWS RDS security groups, AWS Lambda execution rules. These are the examples of access control policies managed by AWS that we can utilize. So it's just summarizing it. All right. Now, if I take this part and then I try to create a JSON, EC2 authentication methods, Linux instances key pair, Windows instances username and password. That's all. Key pair is uh, access key and secret key. So instead of using username and password, the corresponding things are using a key pair. We can access. Okay, so let's see. Amazon RDS. So EC2 machines and RDS machines cannot be secured using IAM service. So they have other ways to secure. That's the takeaway here. Authentication methods, username and password. Okay. So when I publish that document, so I'm going to take this documentation and put these JSON objects that were generated beside that, and then give and edit it to connect the set of entities that were created in various steps, and then created diagram to show how each one is connected to the other is what the work that needs to be done when I finally publish. So this is a work in progress. Amazon EC2 and Amazon RDS. In Amazon EC2 and Amazon RDS, you can use security groups to control traffic to an instance or to a database. Okay, let's take this. Go to ChatGPT, create JSON. Okay, EC2 machines and RDS relational database service managed by Amazon. We can control using security groups. Security groups is another type of resource in AWS. Workspaces. So the reason why I'm copying pasting is I'm just checking whether ChatGPT can give any additional information to summarize some of the text that is it is trying to extract the essence. So not much there. Amazon Work Docs. User get access to shared documents by signing with username and password. Okay, so you get the idea. So basically, all it is saying is EC2, RDS, and workspaces and work docs can be secured in a different way. We don't use IAM service, but what you will do in there will be will be what you will do there will be controlled by the IAM service. Let's see the last paragraph. Okay, again, just summarizing it. So this is how they keep repeating themselves in these documentations. So we need to identify that and then ignore some of these things because later we will be seeing them in detail. Quick links to common tasks. Quick links to common tasks are just a whole bunch of links just to easily access things. We can ignore that. Working with the AWS SDKs. These are all different ways to access the resources using different programming languages. So just information there. All right, that's all for today. So next we will pick up another service and analyze this in this fashion. Thanks very much. If you are interested to be part of this crowdsourced AI, please get in touch with me. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye. Let's stop the recording. Where is the recording? Wow. Stop sharing and stop recording.